Why do you need a nail drill? Electric nail drill works much quicker than a standard nail file. It can save your time and money and works well for smoothing, sharpening and grinding natural, acrylic, polygel and gel nails. It also performs advanced tasks like cleaning the cuticles, buffing the calluses. Safe and easy to use. 5 speed modes, 6000, 8000, 9000, 11000, 13000 RPM, suits for the beginners to explore and practice. To start with a lower speed won't damage your nail bed, and a higher speed can efficiently remove hard gel. Coming with 12 PCs standard 330 seconds bits, so you can perform complete manicures and pedicures without purchasing additional items. Upgraded Cordless Desgin. The wireless nail drill is powered by a rechargeable lithium battery which can work for 3 hours. Not like most of the e-files are limited by the position of power supply and the length of cord, you can use this one wherever and whenever. Nail drill kit with everything. In consideration of nail removal process, the functions of 12 PC's nail drill bits range from remove hard gel to remove cuticles. You can remove all your nail gel, depends on the nail drill and bits. Exquisite handy nail brush can efficiently clean the dust on nails and drills. We also supplied nail files and buffers in case of you need simply file your nail. Quality warranty. Our nail drill is FCC and RoHS certified, and we have customer service team if there is any question or problem. Please feel free to contact us and we will offer you no reason return and refund. More than that, the nail drill file kit is a decent and great gift for all the females. Top reviews from the United States. Beautiful kit. I did end up returning this item even though it was a lovely kit. I purchased the kit to use the Dremel on other stronger items, but it did not have the power I needed. For fingernails, this is a fantastic set, and a great price.